this is the Millennium Flora, the project by the Millennium Infra, one of the best projects of Panvel. So now let's go. I will show you the 2 BHK room. So this is a 2 BHK flat with 1,300 square feet, and as you can see, this is a 16 by 10 square feet hall, which is very huge for your family. And with hall, you can get a 2.5 square feet of gallery where you can have a chill with your family with a wonderful view. So now let's go to the main area of our flat, which is a kitchen. As you can see, this company has given the prestigious kitchen of 8 by 4 square feet, which is very huge. As it has a 2 platform, so it has a huge space where you can manage all the things in the kitchen. There is our first washroom. As you can see, the washroom has a good space and with a lavish interior with the best texture. And as you can see, it has a western washroom attached with a nice space where you can keep your washing machine and other stuffs. First bedroom, which is our children's bedroom. So as you can see, this is our first bedroom. The first bedroom is also has a good comfort space. So beside our first bedroom, this is our main bedroom called the master bedroom. So this master bedroom is of 16 by 12 square feet, which is a very big bedroom, and also it has an inbuilt bathroom which has a lavish interior, as you can see, with a nice texture, and also the inbuilt washroom of western.